muthenya turokira Kiambu kwina undu ongorwo gutire na motion kule assembly ni senate irathie ikaruta maundu ikaria na kuu uguo no andu magacoka guthie kugarura na igwera kuuga uu ithwe uria tui ni ati uria igoti riatuire rierire Waititu ngavana abe aikare kando na ni igoti rioigire aikare kando nigetha cira wake wambe uthire gutari appeal itwirite otherwise Waititu ono muthi enja igwera andu akiambu maigua guo ukindiki araragio ta mundu ungi akiuga uria angienda hihi guthie no ndanoiga uria kwagirirwo gwikwo na andu nimekwenda manyite oguo na andu mathomerwo wega tondu he tunyamu turasakirate ni tukiui ni amarasakirate matinitie kanyamu kau kuringana na uria marenda koguo andu akiambu mamenye gutire handu Waititu acokete kiroto giake gitiri kirakinya na no tugukimuhoera hihi kiroto giake athie na mbere na kurota undu wa keri ni kwira arutia wira aitu tondu magathikiriria miario ino magathikiriria miario iyo amwe taru muthi matinoka wabici tondu ni metereire ati Waititu ni egucoka na ni ekuhingura wabici mwena uri ungi tondu kuria agiririo guthie no wabici twire andu aruti aitu a wira thirikari ni imwe na mundu arega guka wira ati tondu ni arerirwo gugathie gucoke ndakana blame mundu ungi blame we mwenyewe koguo ndenda kuga thirikari ya Kiambu County no irathie na mbere o uria ruling yoigire ati kwina County Executive Committee together hamwe na Deputy Governor aria magirirwo gutwara uhoro wa guthie na Kiambu mbere.
We want to say that we are not taking sides in the dispute between the governor and his deputy. But we also want to say that as an office, as a security team, we know that the Senate's mandate is to make laws. Interpretation of the same laws is issued left to the judiciary. And of course the judiciary pronounced itself on the issue that is at hand. We as a security team know the physical address of the office of the governor. And we normally provide security to that office and all those who work in that office, whether the one in Thika or the one in Kiambu. We will not be able to provide security to a third office that we are being told is going to be opened by the governor in town. We also foresee a situation whereby there is going to be anarchy in this town due to the competing roles by the two offices, the acting governor and the governor.
We are concerned Honorable Waititu is one of our subjects and one of our clients and customers. We can provide to him security just like any other ordinary Kenyan. But we do not have a special security detail or attachment to him. We do not have that. And we cannot afford currently, unless he comes back to the office formally and officially. Currently, we are able to provide him security just like any other general member of public.